Quincy here with JPS Canada. Today, I'm going to explain why condo HVAC units leak and what to do when it happens. Now, in 90% of the cases, if you find a pool of water sitting under your unit, the drain pan will be to blame. Vertical fan coil unit uses water to cool the air in your living space, which creates condensation. A drain pan should capture the moisture, but like anything, it's prone to failure if it isn't properly maintained. Getting to the drain pan typically involves removing a few screws, or in the cases of newer units, removing air filter. If the pan is overflowing, it's likely you have a clog. If not, check for corrosion. Even the tiniest pinhole can cause water to leak. Stainless steel pans and chassis eliminate the risk of corrosion, while the pan overflow switch and the floor moisture sensor and alarm mitigates overflow and the likelihood of flood damage. At this point, it is also important to check to see if the insulation around the unit is wet. If it is, we want to dry it out or replace it to prevent mold growth, which can have a negative effect on the air quality inside your home and in turn on your family's health. If you come across a water leak under your HVAC unit, the best thing to do is turn the unit off and give us a call. Our team of experts will take the necessary step to ensure the risk of these complications are professionally mitigated. Once again, I'm Quincy with JPS Canada. If you have any questions about how we can help protect your condo from unwanted surprises, don't hesitate to call us at 1-844-JPS Canada.